despite the uncertainty, a popular pub in Cleveland Heights is moving forward with reopening plans next week.
News 5's Emily Hamilton talked to the owner of Nighttown about what he's learned from other restaurants who opened sooner.
Since the COVID-19 pandemic began, Brendan Ring has practiced the better safe than sorry mentality by closing his restaurant before Governor DeWine officially ordered that back in March and holding out on reopening until this week.
The owner here at Nighttown says he's taken advice from friends in the restaurant industry about things that have worked and things that haven't. And now plexiglass barriers have been installed between bar seats to help slow the spread of germs. And they've taken both ordering and paying for your meal completely touchless. As the number of confirmed coronavirus cases are climbing here in Ohio, new questions are being raised about the safety of dining at restaurants and bars.
We're going to close on Tuesdays and Wednesdays is going to actually be a cleaning day, a deep cleaning day every week. So when we will open back on Thursday, we'll be good.
In recent weeks, a handful of businesses in Northeast Ohio have temporarily closed and notified the public after employees tested positive for COVID-19. Mitchell's Ice Cream in Beechwood closing its doors Friday and Saturday after a worker tested positive. And in Medina, Castle Noel's shutting down, not due to a positive test, but out of an abundance of caution because of spiking cases in the area.
But if it does happen, we will do exactly what a great operator like Mitchell's does. We'll close, clean, and go back to stage one again, I guess.
In Cuyahoga County, businesses are not required to inform the public if an employee tests positive, but Ring says he would release that information immediately.
Every single room here is covered with cameras. There's 20-something odd cameras. And if in the unfortunate event if someone did come down with the COVID, we can go back 30 days and I can basically see where that person interacted with, what customers they interacted with.
And while Nighttown staff has waited nearly 4 months to reopen, Ring says he's not counting out the possibility of another state-mandated stay-at-home order, in which case he'd have to close his doors again.
I don't think it's unreasonable to think that that could happen here too. Because this thing hasn't gone away, let's face it. And the more we open up, the more it's going to be out there.
Reporting in Cleveland Heights, Emily Hamilton, News 5.